The CBI's probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death is on in full swing. The special investigative team have now recreated the entire crime scene in Sushant's Bandra apartment. They've also carried out a dummy test only to find out if Sushant indeed committed suicide or was it a murder. The CBI landed at Sushant's apartment twice over to map the entire sequence of events based on the statements given by those witnesses. In fact, in the dummy test, the CBI even hanged a dummy on the fan to try and see what exactly Siddharth Pithani as well as Deepak Sawant saw right when they broke open Sushant's room door. The CBI recorded the entire dummy test, recreated every scene in the house which led to the eventual so-called suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput, starting from break opening Sushant's room door all the way to bringing the dummy body down. Every scene was recreated in this dummy test. The dummy test was carried out to establish if it is indeed possible to hang oneself on the fan given the space between the fan and the mattress in Sushant's bedroom. They're also going to check if at all someone actually killed Sushant and then hanged him up, or if he was first made unconscious and then hanged him. Well, Sushant's murder is still a theory which the CBI is investigating into. They're trying to find out all angles, but we're going to tell you what the dummy test revelation really is of the CBI. So here is the revelation made by the CBI after they carried out the dummy test. The CBI has revealed that it is indeed possible to hang oneself in the space between the bed and the fan's rod, but mind you, not the fan. Whether Sushant hung himself or if someone else hanged him after his death or after he was made unconscious, that will be established after the CBI probes and investigates further into the viscera report as well as the post-mortem report. Now, the dummy test revealed that the height between the fan and the mattress was about 5 feet 11 inches. And going by Google, Sushant's height is 5 feet 10 inches, while the actor always claimed that he was about 6 feet. While the height of the bed along with the mattress was about 1 foot 9 inches, the height of the mattress alone was about 8 inches. Now, the height of the ceiling from the mattress was about 9 feet 3 inches, while the POP to the floor was about 8 feet 11 inches. Hence, it is possible that any person with a height of about 6 feet can be hanged within that gap. The CBI also found that the bathrobe belt of the actor was also broken. Meanwhile, doctors at Cooper Hospital, where Sushant's postmortem was conducted, said that the time of death was about 10 to 12 hours before the postmortem was conducted, and Sushant's postmortem was conducted at around 11:30 p.m. that day. Then the forensic report of Sushant's kurta revealed that it had the tensile strength to bear the weight of up to 200 kgs. In fact, the fiber of the same cloth matched with the fiber found around Sushant's neck. Sushant Singh Rajput was found hanging in his home on the 14th of June. The Mumbai police, who was investigating the case initially, declared it to be a suicide. However, on the 25th of July, Sushant's father KK Singh filed an FIR in Patna's Rajiv Nagar police station, where he charged Riya Chakravarti and her family members of abatement to suicide in his FIR. And then the Supreme Court on August 19th decided to hand over the case to the CBI. Now the matter is in the hands of the CBI, and the investigative agency here seems like it's in full speed to try and uncover the truth. They are diligently probing this case.